Hey there, this is June from Zeplin. Welcome to another episode of Zeplin Shorts. Today, we'll be talking about some keyboard shortcuts for all our Mac app users. To start, you can quickly create a project or style guide by pressing the keyboard shortcut Command-N. Once you're in a project, you can easily toggle between the style guide section by using the keyboard shortcut Command-G and toggle back to the dashboard section by pressing Command-D. If you want to go back to your workspace level, you can press Command-Shift-A. If you need glasses like me, it may be difficult to look at the preview of the screen on such a small window. To preview a screen on a larger window, you can click on the screen you would like to enlarge, then press the spacebar. To move between screens, you can use the arrow keys. If you want to quickly jump to a specific screen, you can press Command-J. Instead of right-clicking, you can press Command-R to promptly rename the screen. Let's make a small change. To delete a screen, you can press Command-Backspace, but you should be careful with this one. It's tough to search through a lot of screens in your dashboard, so you can use the keyboard shortcut Command-F to quickly search for a specific screen. You can add tags to screens to locate and filter the design you want to see. To manage auto tags on the screen, you can press Command-T. Now, to closely examine some details on the screen, you can zoom in by pressing Command+ and zoom out by pressing Command-. If you want to go back to the actual screen size, you can press Command-0. Finally, you can zoom to fit by pressing Command-1 and zoom to a certain selection by pressing Command-2. For those of you who are using a mouse, you can hold down the spacebar and pan around the screen. As your Zeplin project organically grows over time, you can create a new section from selection with the shortcut Control-Command-N. To promptly collapse all sections, you can press Control-Command-Up arrow key, and to expand all sections, you can press Control-Command-Down arrow key. When you set your layout grids in Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, or Photoshop, Zeplin will automatically display them. Now, let's look at a screen with a grid. To show and hide the screen grid, you can press Option-Command-G. If you found the Zeplin short helpful, please write in the comments below what you would like to see next. See you in the next Zeplin short!